Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. Today I have to do a bit of a fix on the D2. Yes, I'm having trouble getting into it. Let me show you. Nothing is happening there, but if I put the key up here, I've got to find the sweet spot. Not going to work today. Let's try on the other side. There you go. We're in. So this is quite a common problem on the D2, and what it is this. This is the RF receiver. So when you hit the key, it takes the signal from here, transmits it to the BCU, and unlocks the car. However, what happens is these are installed just in front of the rear sunroof, up in the roof. So if you have a wet sunroof, you know, these will get wet. Now, that's not my issue because I don't have leaky sunroofs. I think it's just an old age thing. So I bought the Newbury spare show, and that's the part number. So that's what we're going to fit today. It's just held in with supposedly two 10mm bolts. So you got one there which has kind of got an earth strap on it, and one there. I believe mine's only got one on it because I have had it out before already. So let me show you where it is. Right, so I'm sat in the back seat, and here is my, I've got rear aircon on mine, so here is the centre, the rear sunroof switch. So what you need to do is, well, I'm going to take this panel off, mainly because mine is hanging off anyway, but you can, I've got a dog guard in the way, so it makes it very difficult to do it from the rear, but you can actually sit in the rear and then get up and pull this headlining down. But I say it's very difficult for me because I've got a dog guard on the parcel shelf. So I'm going to take this off. So I'm just going to take out the LED light, and there's a screw behind here, I think it is. So whip this out under the screw, and this will come down, as I say, because mine is not held in very well. Normally you'd have these little tabs on here, which makes it really impossible to get this off without snapping them. So then your best bet is to come in from the back. So the RF receiver is kind of here. But I'll show you in a minute. Let me get these off. Right. So take this glass out, well it's not glass, plastic cover off the light, remove the bulb, and then you can just pull this off. It's got a tab there on the left hand side of mine, and then you've got a connector which you just need to undo. There, and just get, there you go. So you just get a flat screwdriver and then that just pops out. And you've got another little connector, and then in there you can see, hopefully there's a screw which you need to undo. So once you remove the screw, now these are the, you can see that, there you go. They're like the tabs, and they have like a little metal thing that pushes on to hold it up, but as I say, it's a really nightmare to try and get them on. You really need to do it when you've got the sunny headlining out. And what I use is a you can either get your hand in through here to try and get them on, or put like a tie wrap on them just to hold it up. So I'll do that, and then if you've got aircon, you just need to undo these connectors for the aircon, And then that's done, but I'll leave that up connected for now. So there's the sunroof motor, and then if you look there, this here is the offending article. So sunroof motor there, and you can see there's a 10mm bolt holding it on, and there should be one on the other side. So let's remove them. So you can see I've just got the ratchet up there. Just get your hand in there and move the ratchet. Right, so I've got that out now. There you go, 8mm bolt, and there's one connector which you just pull off. So let's try a new one. Right, that's the new one in. Let's see if it works. Right, moment of truth. No. Makes no difference. Right, so this so-called working one which I bought doesn't work at all. It's a couple of weeks later now, and as you can see in the video, my second-hand RF receiver didn't work. It totally did. So I bit the bullet. I bought a Britpart one, and these are 90 quid on eBay, but eBay had a deal on, so I got it for 85. Now, if you look on eBay, there's people selling second-hand ones for like 130 quid, and this is sold in the hundreds, so hopefully it'll work. As you see, there's the part number. It looks exactly the same, apart from it's got some screws, bolts and screws, nuts and bolts even, to hold it together. So I'm just going to go and quickly install this. I'm not going to show you because I've shown you before, so I'm just going to go and quickly put this in and see if it works. Although Derek is suffering with battery issues at the moment. The batteries only seem to last a couple of years on him, probably because I just don't use it enough and they just die. So now he's on a C-Tech, so hopefully I'm going to have to buy a new battery and keep it on a C-Tech. But anyway, I digress. Let's go install this. Right, so I've installed it in. Let's see if it works. There you go. Okay, so that all worked. So I'd recommend don't buy a second-hand one. Buy one of these. Hope you like the video. See you on the next one. Bye for now and have a good Christmas. Bye now. Bye bye.